As an inventor, as a maker, you're always trying to create something and you think that it's going to change the world and everyone's going to want it and everyone's going to need it. Sorry, I lost my frame of thought. What was the question? When you're inventing something, you're actually living it, I feel like. It grows with you. Your invention doesn't stop where it does. Your invention is also growing and aging and maturing with you as you go along. Hi, I'm Vaibhav Chhabra. I'm a mechanical engineer. I started Makers Asylum about 10 years back. The most important three processes to keep in mind while inventing. Number one, understanding the problem and understanding your user, really empathizing with them. Making or prototyping. Super important to make or prototype your idea into a physical form, shape or factor, and then finally testing it with your user, seeing and getting feedback from them and understanding what works, what doesn't work from them. So one of my friends was working on this really cool project at MIT Media Labs a while back, where it was a sensor that would be able to understand the electrical conductivity of your body and allow devices and objects to be able to adapt to your needs. So for example, think of it like this. If your car seat had this sensor, you would sit on your car seat and your car seat would automatically adjust into the way that you like it. Or whether your room, the moment you open the door of your room, the room adjusts to your needs, your light settings, your temperature settings, your environment, the space, the air conditioner is now to all the ways that you like it. I thought this was a very beautiful invention or a product because it not only is great by itself, but it allowed a lot of other devices to become smart and more adaptable to the user. Earlier, human-centric design was a very, very exciting and important topic. But I think time has changed now, that while we have the human at the center, we need to also keep the planet in the center. If we're able to create devices and technology and to use them to be able to discard the waste the right way, putting the right kind of waste down the drain, that's great. A fridge that's able to keep your food fresher, longer, reduces to less waste. An air conditioner that uses tech to be able to make your house cooler for longer while using lesser amount of energy, reducing carbon footprint. That's super important today. We have to start thinking about planet and not just about the human. When we're developing products, when we're developing new gadgets, while we're making life easier for humans to have a great time on the planet, we also need to think about our planet's health through the system. Watch some of the most amazing inventive ideas come to life only on the Inventor Challenge.
Like, share and subscribe to the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.